there's a new virus that originated in China and is now affecting people all over the world. It's called the novel coronavirus and it's not so good. But don't you worry, we all can protect ourselves against it. It's simple. Follow these easy steps to maintain proper hygiene and keep your body healthy, fit, and fine. 1. If you see anyone with a cough, cold, or a fever, don't get too close to them and suggest they visit a doctor immediately because that's what good friends do. 2. When you come home from school or from playing in the park, always wash your hands with warm water and soap. Clean hands are healthy hands. 3. Wash all your fruits and vegetables properly. Clean food is good food. 4. Whenever you go out, wear a mask and ask all your friends to wear one too, as we must not allow naughty germs to spread. 5. As we know, it is good manners to cover your mouth while sneezing or coughing with a paper napkin and saying, "Excuse me." Don't forget to throw the napkin away immediately after use. 6. It is best to stay at home and avoid those sneaky little germs. So play as many fun indoor games as you like. Read a book or draw and paint, and you may just discover something you're really good at. Yay! And kids, while we follow these steps, don't forget we have to make our bodies stronger too. And how are we gonna do that? By eating healthy food like vegetables and fruits, exercising regularly, and also going to bed on time. We are now ready to fight all those naughty germs and viruses around us. So take care of yourself, your family, and your friends, and we'll all be healthy, fit, and away from diseases. Yay! Have a great day.
Hello everyone, I am your science teacher Vidya ma'am. I hope you all are following these steps and are safe at your home. I hope you have completed your activity 1 and I hope now you all are clear about the growth of plants. In this session, we are going to learn the next part of this lesson, characteristic of living and non-living things.
Living things and non-living things. We see many things around us, like humans, books, animals, houses, and plants. We can classify them into living and non-living things. Living things. Things that have life is called living things. Examples: human, plants, and animals, etc.
Non-living things. Things that do not have life is called non-living things. For example, book, houses, pens, etc.
Living things can move,
Can grow,
needs food and water,
can breathe,
can feel,
can reproduce.
non-living things. Non-living things cannot move, grow, breathe, feel, and reproduce. Non-living things do not need food and water.
Living things can move.
Animals have their legs to move. Animals without legs crawl, slide, and swim by their body. Fish swim in water with the help of fins and tails. Plants cannot move from one place to another place, but they show some movements. The touch-me-not plant closes its leaves when we touch it. The sunflower always turns towards the sun.
Living things can grow.
A small child grows into a man and then to an older man. Likewise, a small plant grows into a large tree. A small kitten grows into a big cat.
Living things need food and water.
Human beings depend upon plants and animals for food. Animals depend upon plants for food. Plants make their own food from water, air, and sunlight.
Living things can breathe.
Living things like plants, animals, and humans can breathe. Fishes breathe through their gills. Insects like grasshopper breathe through their air holes. Trees intake carbon dioxide, so they also breathe.
Living things can feel.
All living things can feel and react. Human and animals have sense organs to feel. Eyes, nose, ears, mouth, skin. These are all our sense organs. Plants can also feel. Plants need sunlight for their growth. They direct their branches towards the sunlight. All living things can feel weather, cold, hot, and rainy, etc.
Living things can reproduce.
Reproducing is the process in which a living being gives birth to a young one of its own kind. A cow gives birth to a calf. A woman gives birth to a baby. Birds lay eggs from which young ones come out and slowly grows into adults. Seeds become plant and plants changed into a big tree.
Non-living things. Man-made and natural things are non-living things.
Such as table, football, toys, cars, etc. Natural things like sun, moon, and rocks are also non-living things.
Activity 2. How to do.
We are going to see how to do the project regarding living and non-living things. Take a wrapped cardboard in white paper. Now paint it using any light color. Stick black paper strip at the upper end. Here you will have to write the title. Make food plate by pasting colorful cutouts of food and paste it under this living things. If you have a gloves, cut it out. Take a small pipe. You can use a straw instead of this. Instead of the gloves, you can also use a balloon. Now tie it out with a rubber band. Mark a hole. And insert it inside it. And stick a cello tape. Take a picture of a girl and stick it in a strip of paper, and also a picture of any animal, and paste it in. And paste this also with a cello tape. Make a 4-side paper like this. Draw these all in it and paste it. Mark a hole at a certain distance and join it with the thread. You can apply glue to this instead of that dot. Make these kind of small structures, and in this you will have to paste certain pictures. You can take it out from your old books. Make sure it is foldable. Now paste it in a straight order as it looks like a train. Make some tiny pieces to decorate your train. Now make a cut in the middle 15 centimeters, both the sides. Now we are going to do something for non-living things. Take 2 red papers, paste small pictures of these. If you don't have these dots, you can use gums or fevicols and stick some pictures of living and non-living things and create a heading board like this and stick it over. Fold it into small strips and insert the paper and the opening with a small stick so that the paper doesn't fall. Now our assignment is ready. Objectives. From this activity, you will learn about the characteristics of living and non-living things in detail.
Stay home. Stay safe. Happy learning.